Hello, my name is Shirley McConnell from the Neil Squire Society, and this presentation is on basic Windows tips. This presentation will advance by itself. All you need to do is observe and listen. I will read and explain all information as we go along. You may ask yourself why you are being given this information. It's important to have an understanding of the computer desktop parts and purpose. It is equally important to learn about the structure of a window and how to work with multiple windows. Having this understanding will provide you with the necessary skills to operate your computer. Parts of the desktop. The desktop is the background screen visible when you start your computer. It displays icons or graphics like the recycle bin, along with the start button and taskbar. The mouse pointer will also be visible and usually appears in the shape of an arrow. This symbol is moved with the mouse to point and click your way around the computer. Icons. An icon is a graphic or picture that represents an application or file. You may have one or more icons on your desktop. In order to open an application, double-click the icon with your mouse. Recycle bin. One of the icons on the desktop is the recycle bin. Deleted files are temporarily stored here. Files are kept intact should you wish to restore them. You may empty the recycle bin to free up storage space on your computer. These files are not recoverable once the recycle bin is emptied. Taskbar. The taskbar spans the bottom of the screen and displays the Start button on the left and the notification area on the right. It is in the notification area that you will find the time of day displayed. Also shown on the taskbar are buttons that represent open applications. Start menu. Clicking the Start button opens the Start menu. From this menu, you may click all programs and activate a pop-up menu to display and access all of the programs on your computer. Links to recently used programs are shown on the left side of the Start menu, while important folders, settings, and the search feature are found on the right. My Documents. All of your files are saved to My Documents. It acts as your computer's filing cabinet and contains both files and folders. Here you may save documents, pictures, music, and videos. To open a file or folder, simply double-click it. You may also create new folders as needed. Computer storage. All of your computer drives or storage devices are found under My Computer. If you insert a CD, floppy disk, or USB drive in your computer, you can access it here. Each has a unique letter. A drive is the floppy disk drive, C drive is the hard drive, D or E is the CD drive, and there may be other letters for removable media or network drives. Working with Windows. Windows provide flexibility and convenience when using a computer, since you are able to open more than one window or program at a time. Multitasking is a very useful feature that allows for more productivity. Multitasking allows you to have two or more applications running at the same time. You can be downloading a file from the internet and working on files simultaneously. To bring any window forward, click on its button on the taskbar. Click on any one again to minimize the window. Structure of a window. Almost all windows look something like this one. It is useful to know the features of a window and their function. Windows usually have a title bar, menu bar, and various toolbars. They also contain scroll bars and the minimize, maximize, and close buttons. Title bar. The title bar is the top border of the window. Displayed here is the title of the document and application name. To move a window, simply click and drag on the title bar. Minimize, maximize, and close buttons. These three buttons are located in the top right corner of a window. Minimize collapses the window to the taskbar. Maximize will expand the window to fill the screen, and to close a window, simply click the X button. Scroll bars. Documents can be larger than a window, and it may be necessary to navigate through the document to view another section. There are usually two scroll bars visible in a window. The vertical scroll bar allows you to move up and down, while the horizontal scroll bar moves from left to right. Menu bar. The menu bar groups related commands into lists or menus. To access these commands, click on the name of the menu and choose a command from the drop-down list. You may also use various keyboard shortcuts to perform identical commands. Using toolbars. Toolbars contain icons that provide shortcuts to menu commands. There are several different types of toolbars to choose from. The standard and formatting toolbar are the ones most commonly used, and they are generally located just below the menu bar. End of presentation. This concludes our presentation on basic Windows tips. If you have any questions on this presentation, please do not hesitate to contact your assigned facilitator.